Hey, welcome back to OOCTV. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Downing. We're at the Casselberry office today. We're going to take you on a little tour. First place we're going to go is the physical therapy side. This is where we get rehab done for knee injuries, back injuries, neck injuries, anything you could think of that's musculoskeletal in nature. And the staff here works very hard and does even some extended hours on during the weekend on Saturdays. All right, our next stop is the reception desk in the main lobby here at Casselberry. This is Yaneli and Stephanie. They do a phenomenal job greeting the patients and getting everybody ready to get seen by the doctors. All right, next stop is the clinical pod. As you can see, our staff here is working very hard. This is Laura, clinical assistant, Deborah, and Andrew Beverly, my physician assistant. Been working with OOC for 6 years. How do you like working for OOC, Andrew?
It's great, no complaints.
All right, our next stop is the durable medical equipment office with our athletic trainer, Samaris. Hi, Samaris. And this is where we have all of our braces, splints, and support devices that help us treat the multiple different conditions that we have here at Casselberry. Next stop is our exam rooms. This is one of 8 exam rooms we have at the Casselberry office. This allows us to get our patients seen quickly and efficiently. All right, next up is our x-ray room. Here's our x-ray tech, Kenny. Say hi, Kenny.
Hello.
And we can do any extremity and or spinal x-ray here at the Casselberry office. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour of the Casselberry office. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Downing with Orlando Orthopedic Center. Thank you for watching OOCTV, and we'll see you next time.